both of you, आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
Nervous, excited. Ask him.
Oh, you're nervous and excited. What about you?
She's spoken on my behalf.
तो दोनों का दिल एक साथ धड़क रहा है, एक ही चीज बोल रहा है. तो ओके फाइन, आप मुझे बताइए इस ब्यूटीफुल से कपल को देखकर आपको कौन से हीरो हीरोइन याद आ जाते हैं?
आकांक्षा से बड़ी कौन सी हीरोइन है?
Oh my God, ये आपको बोलना चाहिए था. Everybody is stealing your dialogues today. ये सिंधी आदमी स्मार्ट ऐसा ही होता है. Final answer. So
मेहंदी लगाने वाली है, उसने कहा ऐश्वर्या राय को मैंने मेहंदी लगाई है तो मैंने इसके आगे आकांक्षा का फोटो जोड़ दो, इससे और कौन सा बड़ा सेलिब्रिटी होगा हमारे लिए.
So okay, before we go ahead and आपके सब words चुरा ले उससे पहले let me talk to you. ये तो when I talk to anybody else and then come to you आप बोलेंगे इन्होंने तो मेरे words चुरा लिए. Okay, so आप मुझे इनमें सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी क्वालिटीज़ आपको कौन सी लगती है बता दीजिए. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, women love उनकी तारीफ करते हैं तब तो use this opportunity. चलिए tell me what are the qualities you really love in her?
I mean, apart from the million other qualities that she shares, I think the most impressive quality about her would be her honesty. She's very honest and down to earth. So I think down to earthness and the fact that she's so honest is obviously something that I've fallen for. Thank you.
मेरा द सालीस जीजू के लिए तालियां बजाइए. And other people also. Besides the honesty, I told you women love उनकी तारीफ. And before we go ahead with the ceremony, yeah, before we go ahead with the ceremony, would you like to say something more to her? थोड़ी आंखों आंखों के बारे में बोल दो थोड़ा. Let's get a little filmy.
Akansha, you look drop dead gorgeous. I've obviously fallen for you, lekin in saying that your eyes again, like the way she mentioned, thank you, that was a good tip, are absolutely stunning. They speak a million words to me. Thank you.
Okay. बाकी चीजें आप personally बोल सकते हैं आराम आराम से. So, what about you? Come on, tell me, what are the qualities you really like in him?
He loves me too much. So, I'm really lucky to have him. And this is one quality that I was looking. I think that's the best quality in him. He loves me too much. And
He loves you too much and cares for you. तो अब Valentine's Day आ रहा है. And get ready for the expensive gift. छोकरी जी मम्मी डैडी के चा चबड़वा. कुछ भी ना जैसा words भी ना खर्च करंदा. We're not even going to use the words. इसमें भी कंजूसी करेंगे. Okay, so before we go ahead with all the ceremonies, आज तो पहली simple ceremony, फिर शादी वादी, the big ceremonies. तो आप इस खूबसूरत से जोड़े को for their married life क्या कहना चाहेंगे? Maybe good things, bad things about marriage. You've been married for so long. नहीं, the good things, okay. So what do you want to tell them about marriage? Some tips देना चाहेंगे?
No, I will not give her any tip, but I'll definitely tell you, I'm not getting a daughter-in-law, I'm getting a daughter in my house. That's it. Thank you.
तो अभी काम वाम नहीं कराएंगी क्या घर में? Daughter, not daughter-in-law. It's a very romantic moment. It's definitely a romantic journey for you, but I want this romantic moment to be all the more memorable. So,
Would you spend the rest of your life with me, Akansha?
I will.
She's not. I really love you a lot. Do you love me?
I do.
I think the rings have said it all, so thank you.
I think people, you need to give them a huge round of applause. Talia कहाँ है? Come on, everybody! With the music, let's give them a big hand.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You wanna know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more.
Wow,
than
that's
you.
so lovely.
Nothing's
Thank you so
gonna
much.
change my love for you.
Before you go, थोड़ा और दो शब्द मैं कहना चाहूँगी. गिरीश और आकांक्षा, जिंदगी में हर कदम पर आपको खुशियाँ मिले हजार. जिंदगी में हर कदम पर आपको खुशियाँ मिले हजार. यही दुआ देता है दिल बार बार. Congratulations. Thank you so much and get ready for a rocking evening. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats as we are about to start the party. और आज की शाम 4 बज जाएंगे लेकिन पार्टी फिर भी बाकी होगी। है पूरे इंदौर को असली पार्टी किसे कहते हैं? सो आर यू रेडी?
Oh yeah!